Akasa's flashback was sad.
Yeah, like
It makes you understand why Akasa did what he did.
Yeah.
I mean, that's what this show's about and it's gonna do. You know what I mean? Once I saw it with Upper Six, I knew all the other demons were gonna be like that. I was like, oh, if they make me feel bad for Upper Six, who's one of the weakest ones, imagine freaking the important ones.
Yeah.
Upper Three, Upper Two. I mean, Upper Six really, it hit me hard because I have a little sister, you know. I'm sure you felt it. I mean, I'm sure all you guys
just have a
felt
little
it.
sister. What do
We
you
all
mean?
have little sisters. That's crazy.
You better say-
I just realized we all have little sisters.
You better say you would understand. What would you do?
We went to Seattle.
Yeah, I forgot. And Rosalind, shout out. And shout out to Alonso's sister that plays the violin.
He's gay, but he has a special connection to classical music. There's many things that are interesting about him.